The Cosmic Consciousness, Exploring the Interconnectedness of All Beings. Welcome to Consciousness Chronicles, where we unravel the mysteries of existence and explore the profound interconnectedness of all beings. In this captivating video, we delve into the Cosmic Consciousness, Exploring the Interconnectedness of All Beings. Prepare to embark on a transcendent journey that will awaken your senses and broaden your perspective. Join us as we unveil the intricacies of the web that binds every living being, exploring the collective consciousness and how our thoughts and actions influence the world around us. Discover the transformative power of unity and empathy as we delve into the profound concept of oneness and its ability to shape a harmonious existence. Through awe-inspiring revelations, we reveal the striking parallels between the interconnectedness of individuals and the vastness of the universe. Brace yourself for a mind-expanding experience that will spark contemplation and inspire conscious evolution. By the end of this video, you will be equipped with newfound wisdom and a deeper understanding of not only yourself but also the world around you. Don't miss out on the opportunity to embrace a more enlightened and interconnected future. If you are ready to embark on this extraordinary journey of discovery, be sure to hit the subscribe button and join our growing community of conscious explorers. Encourage us to continue bringing you thought-provoking content by liking this video and sharing your thoughts in the comments below. Together, let's embrace the beauty of interconnectedness and shape a more conscious world. The Cosmic Consciousness, Unveiling the Web of Interconnectedness that Binds All Living Beings. One fascinating aspect of the interconnectedness of all living beings is the remarkable phenomenon of symbiosis. Symbiosis refers to the mutually beneficial relationship that develops between different species, enabling them to thrive together. Take, for example, the unique partnership between certain species of plants and insects. In this intricate dance, the plants provide nourishment and shelter, while the insects assist in pollination. This collaboration not only ensures the survival of both parties involved but also contributes to the overall biodiversity of our planet. Another intriguing aspect of cosmic interconnectedness lies in the interdependence of ecosystems. Each ecosystem is comprised of various components, such as plants, animals, and microorganisms, all intricately linked together. A disruption in one part of the ecosystem can have far-reaching consequences throughout the entire web of life. For instance, the decline of bee populations worldwide can have a detrimental impact on the pollination of plants, leading to reduced food production and disruption of entire ecosystems. Furthermore, recent scientific discoveries have shed light on the interconnectedness of human beings with the broader cosmic realm. It is now believed that a substantial portion of the elements in our bodies, such as carbon and oxygen, originated from ancient stars through processes like stellar nucleosynthesis. This connection suggests that we are not separate entities but rather a part of the cosmic tapestry, intimately connected to the universe itself. Understanding and acknowledging this web of interconnectedness can have profound implications for our perception of the world and our place within it. It prompts us to recognize the inherent value and importance of all living beings, not just in terms of their individual existence but also in relation to the intricate network of life on our planet. Embracing this interconnected perspective encourages us to cultivate a sense of responsibility and care for the well-being of not only ourselves but for all living beings with whom we share this incredible cosmic journey. Exploring the collective consciousness, how our thoughts and actions impact the world around us. The exploration of collective consciousness reveals how our thoughts and actions possess the power to influence the world around us in profound ways. Scientists have long studied the concept of the 100th monkey effect, which suggests that when a critical mass of individuals share a certain behavior or belief, it can spontaneously spread to others, even across vast distances. This phenomenon hints at the interconnected nature of our consciousness and the potential for collective positive change. Research in the field of quantum physics further supports the idea that our thoughts and intentions impact the world. The famous double-slit experiment demonstrates that the act of observation itself can alter the behavior of particles. This suggests that our consciousness, the very act of observing, has the ability to shape the physical reality we experience. These findings challenge traditional views of a separate and objective reality, indicating that our thoughts and intentions are active participants in shaping our collective experience. Additionally, studies on the power of intention and prayer have yielded intriguing results. In one experiment, participants who offered intentional prayers towards a target group demonstrated statistically significant improvements in the overall well-being of the recipients. This suggests that our focused thoughts and intentions can have real, tangible effects on the health and happiness of both individuals and communities. Furthermore, the ripple effect of our actions extends beyond our immediate surroundings. Our choices, whether positive or negative, can reverberate through the interconnected web of life, influencing others and even the planet itself. For instance, a simple act of kindness can inspire a chain reaction of empathy and compassion, while harmful actions can contribute to a cycle of negativity. Understanding the impact of our individual and collective behavior invites us to reflect on the choices we make and the type of world we wish to create. Exploring the collective consciousness reminds us that we are not isolated individuals, but rather interconnected beings impacting and being impacted by the world around us. It highlights the tremendous power inherent within each of us to shape our reality through our thoughts, intentions, and actions. By cultivating awareness and harnessing this power for the greater good, we can contribute to the transformation of our collective consciousness and create a more harmonious and compassionate world for all. The power of oneness. Understanding how unity and empathy can shape a harmonious existence. The power of oneness lies in our ability to recognize and embrace our interconnectedness with all beings and the world around us. Numerous scientific studies have shown that empathy and a sense of unity can profoundly impact our well-being and foster a more harmonious existence. Research has consistently demonstrated the positive effects of empathy on both physical and mental health. When we empathize with others, our brains release oxytocin, a hormone associated with bonding and trust. This not only enhances our emotional connection with others but also reduces stress and promotes overall well-being. Studies have also shown that practicing empathy can lead to increased feelings of happiness and satisfaction in life. Furthermore, a sense of unity and interconnectedness fosters cooperation and altruistic behavior. When we perceive ourselves and others as part of a larger whole, we are more likely to work together towards common goals and extend help to others in need. This is reflected in various experiments, such as the prisoner's dilemma game, where participants consistently achieve greater outcomes when they cooperate and consider the well-being of others. Spiritual and philosophical traditions around the world have long emphasized the importance of recognizing our interconnectedness. Practices such as meditation and mindfulness help us cultivate a sense of oneness by shifting our focus from the individual self to a broader awareness of the collective. This unity consciousness enables us to embrace diversity, dissolve divisions, and foster a sense of global community. Embracing the power of oneness allows us to create a more harmonious existence for ourselves and others. It encourages us to transcend the limitations of ego and connect with the deeper essence that unites us all. By fostering empathy, practicing cooperation, and recognizing our interconnectedness, we can contribute to the creation of a more compassionate and unified world, where harmony and understanding prevail. From micro to macro, revealing the parallels between the interconnectedness of individuals and the universe. The parallels between the interconnectedness of individuals and the universe reveal a profound truth about the nature of our existence. Scientific discoveries in fields such as quantum physics and systems theory have shed light on the fascinating similarities that exist at both the micro and macro levels. At the micro level, quantum physics has revealed that everything in the universe is made up of atoms and subatomic particles. These particles, such as electrons and protons, are interconnected through fundamental forces and fields. They can exist in multiple states simultaneously and can influence each other's behavior, even when separated by vast distances. This interconnectedness is often referred to as quantum entanglement and has been experimentally observed to occur between particles regardless of their spatial separation. Moving to the macro level, we see similar patterns of interconnectedness on a cosmic scale. Our universe is composed of galaxies, stars, and planets, all interconnected through the force of gravity. Galaxies are bound together in clusters, and clusters themselves form superclusters, creating a vast web of interconnected celestial bodies. Not only are individual celestial objects interconnected, but their movements and interactions also shape the entire cosmic landscape. The concept of fractals further illustrates the parallels between micro and macro interconnectedness. Fractals are geometric patterns that repeat at different scales, maintaining the same overall structure. This recurring pattern is seen in natural phenomena, ranging from the branching of trees and river systems to the unique shapes of coastlines. The existence of fractals highlights the interconnectedness between the small and the large, revealing a self-similar and interconnected nature in the fabric of our universe. These parallels between the interconnectedness of individuals and the universe not only highlight the fundamental nature of our existence but also have profound implications for our understanding of reality. They suggest that there is a deeper unity that underlies everything, connecting us at the most fundamental level. By recognizing and embracing this interconnectedness, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate web of life and our place within the vastness of the cosmos. Conscious evolution, embarking on a journey towards a more enlightened and interconnected future. Conscious evolution is a transformative journey towards a more enlightened and interconnected future. It involves the intentional and ongoing development of our individual and collective consciousness, leading to a profound shift in our understanding of ourselves and our place in the world. One fascinating aspect of conscious evolution is the concept of neuroplasticity. Our brains are capable of rewiring and reorganizing themselves based on our experiences, thoughts, and behaviors. Through mindful practices such as meditation, visualization, and positive affirmations, we can actively reshape our neural pathways, fostering greater self-awareness, emotional intelligence, and empathy. Another important factor in conscious evolution is the power of intention. By setting clear intentions for personal and collective growth, we create a guiding compass that directs our actions and choices. Intention acts as a catalyst for transformation, helping us align our thoughts, emotions, and actions towards a more enlightened and interconnected future. Conscious evolution also involves recognizing the interconnectedness of all living beings. Quantum physics has shown us that at a fundamental level, everything is energy and interconnected. We are intimately connected to the natural world and dependent on its well-being for our own survival. By cultivating a deeper sense of interconnectedness, we can develop a profound respect for all life forms and work towards sustainable and harmonious coexistence. The journey of conscious evolution is not solely an individual endeavor but also a collective one. Through collaboration, dialogue, and the sharing of knowledge and wisdom, we can collectively co-create a more enlightened and interconnected future. This requires moving beyond individualistic perspectives and embracing a holistic worldview that values the well-being of all living beings and the planet as a whole. Embarking on the path of conscious evolution can be both challenging and rewarding, but it offers immense potential for personal growth, societal transformation, and the realization of a more enlightened and interconnected world. By embracing this journey, we not only tap into our highest potential but also contribute to the greater evolution of humanity and the planet we call home. The Cosmic Consciousness, exploring the interconnectedness of all beings. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary journey of exploring the interconnectedness of all beings. If you found this video enlightening and thought-provoking, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Consciousness Chronicles, for more captivating content. Delve deeper into the mysteries of existence and join our growing community of conscious explorers. Hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's shape a more conscious world together.